The FEIN MultiMaster is #1 among oscillating power tools. Developed for the professional trade and industrial use, the FEIN MultiMaster effortlessly withstands the toughest demands. Its high-performance 350-watt motor ensures optimal work progress and superior cutting performance at all times. A perfectly balanced armature with ball bearings at each end guarantees smooth operation. Only from FEIN, the self-supporting motor is independent of the motor housing, which reduces vibration by up to 70% for minimum physical stress and safe operation with every original FEIN accessory. The next generation FEIN MultiMaster for even more efficient, quieter, and practically vibration-free work.